Hello everybody, it is I, Mr. Gutbawlles, and today we have a pretty special edition of talking about Mork's Minis, for it is a day of the fools. So, in order to deceive you, I am under the disguise self-spell to look like Mork. It is incredible what the VR avatar technology can achieve these days, isn't it? So, let us talk a little bit about myself, Mr. Gutbawlles. I come from the forest. That's where I've been for most of my life, actually. I am no ordinary priest, no. I am a priest of LLiira, the goddess of joy. I can tell you this much, yes. And my mission is to bring joy to people in D&D all around the world. That's right. I may be a little bit fat, but that's okay. That just ups my constitution stat. And I also have this warm, very nice cloak. Oh, and most important fact about me is that I'm actually F2P. I'm a free-to-play mini that actually you can just make without getting any pro subscription or anything like that. So you are able to make quite good minis in HeroForge. It's quite spectacular. I mean, look at me. I'm so big. Yes, and you could have a mini like that yourself. Make fat minis. So yeah, it's quite a fun little thing. You can see I have a twirly mustache and I'm enjoying everything. You've probably seen me in the tutorial for tears. Yes, I have got some tears in here. I can show you. There's one tear here and one tear here because I had such a good joke. I haven't laughed in so long. And looks like I'm not alone here. It seems I am accompanied by a small creature of the forest. Yes, it's listening intently to my belly laughter. Oh yes. And just to make it clear, I'm not laughing because of these mushrooms. No, that's a different character. But we've done already. This is not what Mr. Gutbawlles, what I am about. No, I don't support this kind of stuff. You see, I support joy that comes from good relationships with people. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I'm quite a simple mini, you see. There's not anything too much special other than me looking great. What can I say? I'm quite handsome. And psych! This is my upgraded form as Sir Gutbawlles, who serves the goddess LLiira, the goddess of joy. You can see her markings here of the star, yes. And you can also see another star right here. And you can see also a chakram. A chakram and a shuriken are the religious weapons of the goddess LLiira, the goddess of joy. Yes. And we have quite a fun scene with leaves, you know. Probably I'm just walking through some city and I'm aura farming all the way across the town to spread joy all around the world. Look at my fingers glowing with the eternal light of LLiira. I'm totally not going to cast spiritual guardians for the 100th time in a row. No, that would be not quite right for Mr. Gutbawlles, or would it? I don't know. It's quite fun. You can see some glowing marks on the face, and you can also see beautiful stars in my eyes. And guess what? This mini is also completely free to play. So you can make some truly incredible minis in HeroForge if you take your sweet time and effort. Yes, you don't have to even pay anything to the corporation, but you should because they make an awesome product. But you don't necessarily have to, especially if you don't have money. But if you do, you probably should pay. I can tell you this much. And, you know, there's not really much else to talk about me. I'm quite an unexciting mini, mostly because I look quite good. I was tempted to perhaps add a little bit of kid bashing here to make like the transition between the shield and the body a little bit better, but I was like, you know what, it is fine. I shall stay free to play, to represent the people who require it. That's right. And kind of a fun thing here, I use a kind of a special decal on this one. I've never ever used it before, I can tell you this much. So if we go into the decals, let us take a look. And yes, it's this one right here. It's the red corn pattern. I don't even know what it means, but it seems to have some special words or something like that. Oh, I can't even read it properly. Well, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is actually. It should be saying something special. Perhaps we can show it on the tabard. Let us see if we can achieve that. So let's put it here. It says something. I can't read properly. Oh goodness gracious. Well, oh, I think these are just fake words. I think these are just fake words. So anyway, I'm actually using this on this thingy right here because I thought it looks kind of neat. You know, sometimes you just choose decals because they look quite neat. Not much else about me. I'm quite a simple mini, you see. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this day of joy that is celebrated across humanity. I hope you're gonna have happy rest of the day. That's right. Mr. Gutbawlles, sorry, Sir Gutbawlles is out. This guy's self turning off. Goodbye.